Hi, my name is Brad. I'm a technician here at Sweeney's. Today we're going to be discussing the hydraulic brake system. Just a quick explanation of hydraulic brakes. When the brake pedal is applied, there is a push rod that goes through and applies into the master cylinder, which forces fluid down to our brake calipers. Once that fluid has reached our brake calipers, our caliper pistons will expand out and push our brake pads onto our brake rotor, in turn causing us to brake. All right, your brake master cylinder and reservoir is typically located on the driver's side of the engine compartment here, and that's where you can check your fluid level and condition. Just a quick overview of some of our basic components that we have in our brake system. We have our brake rotor, we have our brake pads, and we have our brake caliper. And we also have our hose, our brake hose, and our lines that feed our brake fluid to the caliper assembly. All right, when we inspect your brakes, we do use a color scheme to indicate the condition of the brakes. All right, that's going to conclude our topic of the hydraulic brake system here today. Thank you for watching. And if you have any issues with your brakes, please stop in and see us at either Sweeney Buick GMC or Sweeney Chevrolet. Have a great day.